Brazil has an electrification which covers, well, let's say probably 95% of the population. So it's very extensive. The problem in many situations is the quality of energy. So a lot of industry, they have energy, but they don't have enough energy or they don't have enough quality energy. So whatever is decentralized energy generation, which can be either electric energy or thermal energy. I think it could be a very interesting topic for Brazil. So decentralized energy generation, microgrid, off-grid solution, etc. And in this context, I believe that the Industry 4.0 can be a very interesting topic because this technology can help to better use the energy when it's available and when it is cheaper. So definitely I believe that Industry 4.0 has a lot to do with energy, and particularly in Brazil.